Welcome to Web Development Mastery, a comprehensive professional pathway covering front-end, back-end, and generative AI integration. This program is offered in collaboration with industry and academic leaders. Our program offers 7 certification pathways, including front-end development and various back-end tracks like 𝐁𝐿, Python, Java, PHP, and ASP.NET with generative AI integration. Program outcomes include a job-ready portfolio and industry-recognized credentials. The learning pathways begin with mandatory Web Fundamentals core, covering HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. From there, you select one specialization track, leading to a professional certified developer outcome. The front-end development track spans approximately 6 months. Key modules cover React, generative AI skills for UI/UX, and cloud-native concepts. You will earn 5 professional certificates and build projects like an AI-enhanced dashboard. Choose your back-end specialization from 5 major tracks: 𝐁𝐿, Python, Java Enterprise, PHP, or ASP.NET Core. Your choice should align with your career goals, such as 𝐁𝐿 for startups or Java/.NET for big corporate jobs. The Web Development with General AI 𝐁𝐿 track focuses on full-stack JavaScript mastery. Curriculum covers React, Node.js, Express, and MongoDB. Graduates earn 9 certificates and develop projects like a full-stack e-commerce application. The Python track focuses on Django and Flask for data-driven applications and AI integration. Modules include Python fundamentals and building database applications. You will earn 9 certificates and build scalable microservice API suites. The Java track focuses on enterprise applications using Spring Boot and microservices. Key skills include Java 17+, Hibernate/JPA, and Docker. This comprehensive track offers 12 professional certificates. The PHP Developer with General AI track emphasizes modern backend development with Laravel and MySQL. You will learn MVC architecture and API resource development, culminating in 5 certificates and projects like an e-commerce platform. Professional ASP.NET with General AI focuses on enterprise web development using C#, Core MVC, and Azure. This track includes 12 certificates and prepares you for roles like Cloud App Developer by building systems like an enterprise intranet portal. Generative AI is integrated across the curriculum to enhance developer productivity and create intelligent applications. We cover core areas like AI-driven code generation, contextual chatbots, and responsible AI practices. The learning and placement pathway is a structured journey over 6 to 12 months. It moves from enrollment and web foundations to specialization, capstone building, career prep, and ultimately, job placement. Our program is strengthened by 3 key partnerships: IBM for industry curriculum, IIT Patna for academic rigor, and BIT for expert delivery. This collaboration ensures globally recognized and verified digital credentials. Start your journey today to transform your career with industry-recognized certifications. Enroll now to secure your future in web development. You can call us or visit our website for admissions.